students, there is a big question arising in your brain after the 10th exam. What subject or what stream we are taking in 11th? So today in this lecture, I try to resolve this question. Now we are moving on for the career. Which stream is the best? So which stream is the best? We are trying to solve this question. There are three streams: science, commerce and arts. So firstly, the biggest advantage of the science that all scopes are open in science, because if you are taking science, if you are unable to carry with the science, you can move to arts or you can move to commerce. But whenever you are taking commerce, you can't move again to science. You have only one option, that is arts. Now in case of arts, you can't take science or you can't take commerce after the taking of arts. So it's my suggestion, if you are having the 1% ability, or we can say ki ho jayega, you should adopt science. Now why we are taking science? There are some things which science make special. Now we are discussing those things which give the highest position of science stream. We are discussing that things. It make us smarter, intelligent, progressive and creative, because discovery and invention always are present in science. Now it enhance understanding of cause effect, why the things are occur. We try to take the answer of why. Now variety of teaching learning process are available in science, so it make the science more interesting. Now ample of opportunities are present in science, because from human to universe there are lot of chance to make the career in science. Now science is vital to ensure the survival of our planet. I can conclude this thing that without the science there is not any life on the planet. Now it is very clear that science is the best subject. Now we are moving on the scope of science. Medical science, if we are moving, we want to make our career in medical science, anatomy, biochemistry, biostatics, dental, embryology, genetics, microbiology, pathology, pharmacy. There are a lot of scope present in medical science. Now we are moving on engineering, aerospace, chemical engineering, civil, electrical, mechanical, military services or nuclear science have the lot of scope in the science. Now we are moving on the other scopes, for example chemistry, environmental, patent law, technical writing, software designing, space exploration, plant pathology, metallurgy, ceramic industry, plastic industry, forensic science, medicines, teaching, agriculture, food industry. So we can say there are so many scope of the science. And one more thing, if we are compared with the other subject, a science student can take part in all competitive exam which are open for arts and commerce. So now you can I think this question, which stream is the best, is totally clear in your brain, and you can opt science. Thank you.